Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Sweet mochi, or gyuhi in Japanese, is sweet and chewy rice cake eaten as is or used for various Japanese desserts. Its pileable mochi dough can be shaped into different shapes for different sweet dishes. Sweet mochi has been a beloved traditional Japanese treat for over 1,000 years, and now it's also popular outside of Japan. Our original Sweet Mochi Recipe video, posted in 2013, has been the most watched video on our channel to this date. However, some people found it difficult to make or the result didn't turn out the way they wanted. So we tried different methods and came up with a new and improved recipe this time. We are so happy to share this with you today. The main ingredients are sweet rice flour called mochiko and sugar. No substitution can be made here. We use a bit less sugar than before, but we are making a syrup first to be mixed in the mochi dough. That makes it so much easier to mix. For exact measurement and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we mix mochiko and 3/4 cup water in a heat-proof bowl and mix well. If it's too dry, add some more water, 1 tablespoon at a time. Now we are going to steam the mochiko dough in a steamer for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to make the sugar syrup. Put water and sugar in a medium pot and cook until sugar dissolves. In our original recipe, we added sugar straight into the dough, but using the syrup makes it so much easier to mix. Transfer the steamed mochi into a pot and cook at medium-low to low heat, adding and mixing in the sugar syrup little by little. Stirring constantly, cook until syrup is completely incorporated and the mochi becomes sticky. Take time and be careful not to burn it. Take the hot mochi out from the pot onto a sheet pan, liberally dusted with cornstarch or katakuriko potato starch, and spread by hand. Be careful handling this as it's very hot and sticky. From here, you can shape and cut as you like. If you have anko sweet red bean paste, make small balls of anko and wrap with sweet mochi. This is called daifuku, and it's a very popular Japanese dessert. We have videos for how to make anko and daifuku if you want to know more about this dessert. Or cut the mochi into small pieces and use it as a topping for various desserts. Mochi is a popular topping for frozen yogurt and ice cream here in the US. Top over green tea ice cream like this. Sweet mochi became popular outside of Japan, but not many people know that you can actually make it at home. It is easier than you think, and you only need a few simple ingredients. We hope you give this a try.
美味しいね。